Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your YouTube views and reach more people, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to promote your YouTube video using Google Ads. Yes, you heard that right, Google Ads can help you get more eyes on your content. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Why use Google Ads for YouTube? First off, you might be wondering, why should I use Google Ads to promote my YouTube video? Well, Google Ads gives you the power to target specific audiences, set your own budget, and create campaigns that get your video in front of potential viewers. It's one of the best ways to quickly grow your YouTube channel, especially if you're just starting out. Step 2. Setting up your Google Ads account. To get started, you'll need a Google Ads account. If you don't have one already, head over to ads.google.com and sign up. Make sure to link your YouTube account to Google Ads. Once that's done, you're ready to create your campaign. Step 3. Creating a campaign in Google Ads. Now, let's create a campaign. Start by clicking on the plus button and choosing the video campaign type. This will allow you to create video ads that will appear on YouTube and other Google partner sites. Then, select a campaign goal like product and brand consideration or brand awareness and reach, depending on your needs. Step 4. Setting your budget and targeting. Next, it's time to set your budget. You can decide how much you want to spend daily or for the entire campaign. Google Ads will show your video to people within that budget. Now, let's talk targeting. This is key. Google Ads allows you to target based on demographics, interests, and even keywords related to your video. So, make sure to choose your target audience wisely. Step 5. Uploading your video ad. Once your settings are all in place, it's time to upload your video. You can either use an existing video from your YouTube channel or upload a new one. Make sure the video is engaging and has a strong call to action. This will help drive views and interactions. Step 6. Choosing ad format, skippable or non-skippable ads. There are different ad formats you can choose from. Skippable ads are the ones viewers can skip after 5 seconds, while non-skippable ads have to be watched in full. Skippable ads are usually more cost-effective, but non-skippable ads are great for ensuring your message gets through to the viewer. Step 7. Monitoring your campaign. After your campaign goes live, make sure to monitor its performance. Google Ads gives you detailed analytics so you can track how well your video is performing, how much you're spending, and what kind of engagement you're getting. You can adjust your campaign settings as needed to improve results. And that's it. You're now ready to promote your YouTube video with Google Ads. It's a powerful tool to help you get more views and grow your audience. I am a Google Ads expert. If you want to take YouTube video promotion service from me, please message me by email. I will give my email address in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. See you in the next video.